We now do the photolithography process. The microscope is used to find the contact between the mask and the sample. Place the sample on the sample holder. When rotating this handle, the sample holder is lifted up, and the contact light is now on. When rotating it back, the sample holder is lowered down, and the contact light is off. Another handle is used to separate the sample and the mask slightly when doing sample movement of alignment. The exposure only works on the contact mode. When doing alignment, the sample moves. The knob on the right will move the sample horizontally. If we look at the light spot comes from the microscope, we can find the movement of the sample. When we zoom in, it can be seen more obviously. The knob at the bottom will move the sample vertically. And the final knob is used to rotate the sample holder. When looking at the mask, we will find one side of the mask is coated with a thin film of metal. When placing the mask on the mask holder, make sure the metal side is facing up. Press the vacuum mask button and double check if the mask is now holding on the holder. Place the mask holder on the slide way and lock it. Now the metal side of the mask should be facing down, where it should contact with the sample. Applying the contact by lifting up the sample holder, and use the finer adjustment to make the sample contact with the mask. Looking into the microscope, the sample is contacting with the mask when they both look very sharp, which means they are both on the focal point of the microscope. Then we need to select the appropriate exposure time on the timer. Press the exposure button. Then the arm should pop out. When it reaches the position, the exposure is on, and the timer is counting down. When the exposure finished, the light is off, and the arm will go back. The timer should go back to the setting position. Now release the contact before you try to get the sample out. Take out the mask holder. Place it on the table. Release the vacuum on the mask and put it safely in the storage box. Now the sample is exposed and ready for the development process.